Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a short, simple, and super useful lesson for you. We're going to learn how to give compliments in English. This is a fantastic way to make people feel appreciated, respected, and valued. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, what exactly is a compliment? A compliment is simply a positive and kind remark you say to someone. It's a way of showing that you've noticed something good about them. This could be about their appearance, something they've done, or even their personality. It's a small gesture that can make a big difference in someone's day. Now, when is a good time to give a compliment? Honestly, you can give a compliment almost any time. For instance, when you see someone and think they look particularly nice. Or when a colleague or friend does something really well, like giving a great presentation or cooking a delicious meal. You can also give a compliment to show you appreciate someone's effort, even if the result isn't perfect. Or maybe you just genuinely like their personality, like how kind or funny they are. And of course, compliments are a wonderful tool to encourage someone who might be feeling a bit down or unsure of themselves. They truly help build confidence and strengthen relationships. Let's dive into some useful phrases you can start using right away. First, for appearance, you could say something simple like, "You look great today." Or be more specific, "I love your smile," or "That color looks really good on you." See? Easy and effective. Next, let's talk about skills or work. If someone has done a good job, you can tell them, "You did an excellent job." Or if their work was particularly helpful, you might say, "Your presentation was very clear." A more general one is, "You're really good at this." People love to have their hard work and talents recognized. And what about personality? This is a great way to give a deeper, more meaningful compliment. You could say, "You are very kind." Or "I like how patient you are." Another powerful one is, "You always stay so positive." These compliments show that you value who they are as a person. Of course, it's just as important to know how to receive a compliment gracefully. If someone says something nice to you, don't brush it off. A simple, polite expression is all you need. You can say, "Thank you," or "Thanks, that means a lot." Another good one is, "I appreciate it." Accepting a compliment with a smile makes the person giving it feel good too. Okay, time for a quick practice exercise. I'm going to show you a few sentences with some words missing, and I want you to fill in the blanks with a compliment. Ready? First one, "You look really nice today." Second, "You did a fantastic job on your presentation." Third, "Thank you. You are very thoughtful." And the last one, "I really admire how creative you are." Feel free to pause the video and think of your own answers too. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Now, let's listen to a short dialogue to see how these compliments sound in a real conversation. Listen. And then repeat. Amina says, "Well, I like your new shirt." John replies, "Thank you. I'm glad you like it." Amina continues, "And your report today was excellent, very clear and organized." John says, "Thanks, I worked hard on it." Amina adds, "You always do. You're very dedicated." John smiles and says, "That's kind of you to say. I appreciate it." See how natural and friendly that was? That's exactly the kind of positive interaction we want to create. Alright, now it's your turn to practice speaking. I want you to say two compliments out loud, right now. First, give a compliment about someone's appearance. For example, "You look great today." Go ahead, say it. Great, now, give a compliment about someone's skills or effort. For example, "You did a wonderful job." Your turn. Excellent. Practicing like this will make your English sound more fluent and confident. Compliments are a powerful tool for connection. So don't be shy about using them. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, a small compliment can go a long way. Start practicing today and see the positive effect it has on the people around you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.